Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Kokot Kakia James PK Sangma henne kasngi habai keren bat kinong thok kubor halor kajing don kinong pang covid hakajela ulaong kumbakalong menta Ketenat Kokot Kakia galapait benia habai dai ba kajing don kibayo ya kajing pang covid hakajela ulaong ru ba kumbakalong menta hakini ki khendas ngi kandon kajing lekmen Puja bat ke Ilekshon Shiteng Samoi henrengi Kyntu ya ki Paidbah ban burunti ya kajing betha bat ngakermen ru bagi Paidbah kan sngap ya kan kajing Kyntu jongi Kendon pun ki jaka ki banyalum Paidbah henringi nget bagi Paidbah kan but ya ki kendon ki bakatanat kokot kakia kalabatha.
Being cautious, and we are trying to maintain as much vigil as possible in this regard. But then we need to also take into consideration that there are certain religious sentiments attached to this, and we have to be we have to balance these two, maintain the vigil and be cautious, and at the same time we have to also allow people to carry on with their celebrations. I'm in agreement in terms of that this will be a very, very challenging time for us, the puja and also the elections at the same time. But our constant appeal to people is to respect the kind of protocols that are there, to follow those guidelines, and to make sure that that whatever SOPs are there in terms of COVID, those are followed to the to the letter. And we hope that people will comply, and we will be reaching out to them, making more effort in terms of reaching out, considering that this situation whereby when we have elections and we have the puja celebrations, there will be a lot of areas where there may be crowding, so we have to be very, very vigilant about that. Yes, I always keep saying this, that we will be hoping for the best, and we are preparing for the worst. So I think that if we say that yes, everything is adequate, I think that would to some extent be construed as complacency. So we do not want to be complacent. We want to be ever vigilant and make sure that preparations are monitored constantly, and this is a very fluid situation. It requires according to that situation, we need to be also ready to adapt to any kind of developing situation.
So my second question is, so you have been taking a